Hi students, I hope all of you are fine. Let me introduce myself. I am Avinash, your maths teacher. Now you are in 5th standard. When compared to your last year, the topics are a little bit more only. Don't worry, we are with you. Please cooperate with us because we have a lot to learn. Without wasting our precious time, let us move on to our first chapter. Are you ready? Our first chapter is the fish tail. In this chapter, we are deal with all the numbers. You already learned the place values, how do you write the numbers in words to numbers, and when you give you a number, find the place value of them, ascending order, descending order, addition, subtraction, etc. etc. So all of you ready? Okay, we can move on to our first chapter, the fish tail. Okay, first we are going to study about place value chart. What do you mean by place value chart? Have you heard the place value chart anywhere? Yes, in your 3rd standard, 4th standard, you already studied. Up to lakh, you know. Up to 10 lakh, you know the place values. But we introduce new one, crore and 10 crore. First we look at the place value chart. You know when you count a number from right. For example, how will you read this? How will you count from there? Count from here. Ones, tens, hundred. We always count from the right part of that number. So how will you read this? 3 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place. Okay, so that means 3 in 1 place, 3 plus 8 in tens place, 8 tens are 80, you already learned, plus 4 in 100 place, 4 hundreds are 400. So how will you read this? 400 plus 80 plus 3, 483. It is a simple one you studied in your 3rd or 4th standard. Now little bit higher. So this is the place value start. First ones. In ones there are 3 ones, tens and 100. And next one thousands. In thousands there are 1,000 and 10,000. Next one is lakh. In lakh and 10 lakh. You also count the zeros. The increasing zeros are increasing all time. When 1 only a 1, 10, 1 0 increased. On 100, 2 0. When it is 1000, it become 3 0. It is 10,000, it become 4 0. So on increasing zero is place value chart. Next one is crore. Crore and 10 crore. Both are here. So once again, in ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In each one, a zero is increased. 1, then 1 0, then 1 0 0. You already learned the things. Now we introduce one more item, that is symbol. Instead of writing 10 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, these are many letters here. So we can write T, then put a dot C. That's only the first letters of 10 crore. 10, the first letter of 10 is T. First letter of crore is C. So T dot C. The first letter of crore is C. 10 lakh will be T dot L. Next lakh will be L. 10,000. There are 2 thousands. So we use 10,000 T, TH and 1000 TH. Next 100 H. Tens T 1 O. Okay, all of you are must write this table in your notebook or anywhere and study well. This is most important for this year and also your future years. Okay, now we can read these numbers. How will you read these numbers? Some of these are easy for you. One thing, I think at least some of you get the textbooks. Otherwise, you can download it from CBSE site or Play Store, anywhere. The textbook is available. So please download the textbook and read the important part based on this base value chart. I'll give you all the notes one by one, but textbook is a must thing for reading. So we can read these numbers. We can easily read the first number. How many place values are there? Only one. Okay, it's 7. Okay, next, how many place values? Ones and tens. You know how will you read it? 21. Next, ones, tens, 100. So we start with 100. 382. Okay, these are easy for you. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So how will you read it? 8928. Okay, next, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. How will you read this one? How will you read this? Is also 1000. This reading. So this must be in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 means 10 means it's a 2-digit number. Okay, 10 is a 2-digit number. So we can read these two numbers together. These two numbers together. Okay, yeah. So we can read it 32,578. Okay, so next, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we must start with lakh. 7 lakh. Then next is 89,102. Okay, so how will you read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh again, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. 10 means a 2-digit number. Again we can together these two. So how will you read this? 32 lakh 98,123. Okay, next number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. So how will you read it? 1 crore 34 lakh 53,239. Or the next number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 10 crore. 10 is a 2-digit number, so we can together these two number, 97 crore 84 lakh 32,987. I know a little bit difficult for you, but practice. Do some problems in your home. Ask your parents to write some numbers and help to read it. You can read, you can study it easily. At first glance, there is some difficult, but doing more problems. Max means do the problem, so much easier for you. Max is not a subject for reading. It's for doing. So do many problems or many of the numbers like this. How much time you do it, you can easier acquire this price value chart easier. You already learned it in the 4th standard. We only introduced the crore part only. Up to 10 lakh you already learned. Up to 10 lakh you already learned. Up to lakh you already learned. We introduced only 2 crore and 10 crore. So you can read it and write it. The next part is how will you write and read this number. Okay. Now we can check how will you write some numbers in words. You already learned it in 3rd and 4th standard. But we can write some numbers in words. Okay, how will you write this first number? Can you read it? How will you read it? Before reading, first you count the place values. Okay, first place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so our number start with lakh. Which number in the place of lakh? 7. So how will you read it? It is 7 lakh. Next, 7 lakh. Before lakh, which place value is? 10,000. Okay. 7 lakh. Next is 94,000. Next, it's a simple one. 600. Okay. Next, how will you read this one? This must be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 10 lakh. So we read this together. 10 lakh. Okay. So how will you read this? This is 12 lakh. 12 lakh. 36,000. 528. You can write 528 or simply 528. Next, how will you read this one? Can you count this? Yes, ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. How will you read this? It's a simple one. You already seen it. Here is only one digit, 1. There are no digits. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. 1 crore. Here all are zeros. Not any numbers are here. Okay. Okay. How will you read this number? First you count the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it's a 10 crore number. So first we read this together. This is 23 crore balance 23 crore. Next 32 lakh. Next is a 10,000 10. 11,000. 120 or 120. 120. Again I told you, do some problems, do more problems. How much more you do, we can easily understand the concept. You already learned up to lakh, and we introduced 2 more, crore and 10 crore. Write many numbers. Now you are free on your home, you can do as well as you like. So many numbers, and do and understand the concept. I'll give you some numbers for your homework. Okay. How will you write these 3 numbers in word format? We can easily done. First, you do yourself only. If it is wrong or right, that is secondary. First, do yourself only. If it is wrong, no problem. Do yourself only. After that, you can tell to your parents or teach anywhere. Okay, first do yourself only. Okay students, now we can conclude our today's section. Please be carefully learn the place value chart. This is useful for your future classes also. So stay home, stay safe. Will you see in next video? Thank you.